Hi, I'm Mary Bateman. Welcome to 65 Ellen, which is called Marina Bay. It's a beautiful 1,360 square foot front suite looking over Kempenfelt Bay. Here in this building, there are beautiful pool, party rooms, sauna, exercise rooms, and lots of visitor parking and land. Now let's take a look at the unit. There's a spacious dining room for entertaining family and friends. And this kitchen, the beauty of an older building is that you can make lots of changes because there's lots of space. This was quite a small kitchen, but they took the wall out, extended the kitchen way down to here, and they put a separate bar, movable bar, over on this side. Note that there's quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, lots of pot drawers and other drawers. Lovely, it's kind of a metallic looking tile here, which is quite beautiful as well. They changed the California ceiling to a quartz ceiling and put in, instead of wall being here, then they can put some lights in here as well. The spacious living room overlooks the bay, as does the dining room, and there's a walkout here from the living room to the deck. Let's have a look at the master. The master accommodates a king-size bed and lots of furniture. Ensuite is here, and they've totally renovated it as well. They made the walk-in closet even larger. They took out the tub and put a large walk-in shower, which we'll see as you come in. There were gorgeous renos in this master suite. Here's the shower I was talking about. You could put a glass door there if you wanted. Marble top, beautiful vanity, and as I mentioned, they took a shower out there and made the wall and made a larger closet. So let's go into the guest wing and take a look at their beautiful upgraded bathroom. Your guests will love this. Very private, granite counters, lovely vanity, new toilet, mirrors, and a renovated bathtub and tile. The owner has chosen to make this multi-purpose. This is actually a bed in here for your guests when they come, but the owner also had an office, and this actually transforms into a desk and a sitting area. So this is such a large room, you can do whatever you want with it. The bar gives you lots of space to sit and have your coffee or a glass of wine. Lots of space down below for storage, and this has lots of storage in the whole thing. Walk out here, there are two walkouts to this balcony. And look at your beautiful view of Kempenfelt Bay. The park, the beach, the fountain, and the city. And here it is, the beautiful view. This building is right in the center of Kempenfelt Bay. So you see the fountain, you see the hockey rink and basketball hoops, you see the whole bay, you see the city lights, and you also see the beach, and everything that's happening here, the bike paths, everything. But most of all, 24 hours a day, you have this bay and the beauty of Barrie. Thanks for coming today. Take a look at the professional photos and video. And if you'd like to have a private showing, give me a call and come and see it. It really is beautifully done.